welcome to LC Engineering. Today we are installing a 2TR header in a 2013 Tacoma. This is a 4-cylinder, 4-wheel drive, 5-speed manual transmission truck.
First, we're going to unhook the negative side of the battery.
Next, from under your truck, remove the flange support bracket. Make sure you reinstall the lower bell housing bolt. Then remove the spring bolts attaching the collector to the manifold.
Next, we're going to unhook the mass airflow sensor, then unhook the clips retaining the wiring harness to the factory airbox. Remove the air intake tube that is attached to the airbox, then remove the air filter housing.
Remove the main air intake tube by detaching the wiring harness on it. Disconnect the air injection plug, 2 vacuum lines, the 3 bolts on top. Then remove the 2 hoses on the other side of the housing. After that, just push the whole thing off to the side. Next, we're going to remove the heat shield. There are 2 lower bolts, 1 in the middle and 2 on top. We suggest leaving the top 2 loose and removing it at the very end. Remove the air injection system. First, remove the 2 nuts retaining the tube to the exhaust manifold. Then the other nuts retaining the air injection system to the cylinder head. Remove the stock exhaust manifold. There is 8 nuts total, 3 on the bottom, 3 in the middle, 2 on the top. To the left, we have the factory Toyota 2TR exhaust manifold. To the right, we have LC Engineering's 2TR header. They are both 4-in-1. The stock one does not have equal length primary tubes. They are smashed going into the collector and has the air injection system attached to the manifold. The LC Engineering header tubes are bigger, equal length, and are 4-1, and still retain a factory location for the air injection system, making this the perfect bolt-on for your application. Lay a towel on the AC lines so we don't scratch our brand new header on the install. Remove the factory exhaust manifold gasket. Replace it with the new one provided in the kit. Now we are ready to install our brand new 4-in-1 LC Engineering 2TR header. We recommend washing your hands before touching your new header because once you apply grease or oil on any of the ceramic surfaces, the oil and grease will burn and stain your exhaust header. The easiest way to install any stud is by using the double nut method. Put 2 nuts on one stud and tighten them against each other. Now you can take this and thread it in tight. Then back off the 2 nuts. Using the double nut method, install the 2 nuts for the air injection tube onto the header. Remember to use a drop of Loctite. With the new gasket supplied with your kit, install your new gasket and your air injection system. Next, we are going to reinstall the air tube, reconnect all hoses, and secure it with the 3 bolts on top. Also, connect the air injection plug and reinstall the hose that goes to the air pump. Reinstall the AC brackets and air pump bracket. Reinstall your lower air filter housing with the 3 bolts that came out. Reattach your air filter and upper air filter housing and air tube. Reconnect the mass airflow sensor plug and secure it with the factory clips to all of its retaining locations. From under your truck, install the new exhaust donut and tighten the 2 spring bolts securing the new header to your exhaust system. Connect the battery and start the engine. Check for exhaust leaks. Retighten all your exhaust hardware after approximately 100 miles.